लेट्स बिगिन विद द बेसिक क्वेश्चन, तुम कैसे हो? इसको हम नॉर्मली इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? तुम कैसे हो? हाउ वी विल स्पीक दिस सेंटेंस? हाउ आर यू, राइट? नॉर्मली। बट यहाँ पे हम क्या सीख रहे हैं? अपनी बेसिक इंग्लिश को एडवांस एंड वाओ इंग्लिश में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें, है ना? जब भी हम मुंह खोलें लोग बोले अरे वाओ व्हाट एन इंग्लिश। सो बेसिक इंग्लिश इज हाउ आर यू। इसको बेटर कैसे बोल सकते हैं? हाउ हैव यू बीन। वाओ कैसे बोलेंगे? How we will speak it in a wow way. Hey, how's life treating you? So stop saying
How's life treating you?
yes. It is tum kaise ho? If we go for basic, how are you? Better, how have you been? And in wow, how's life treating you? I hope अब से आप ये बेसिक सेंटेंसेस बोलने बंद कर देंगे और वाओ इंग्लिश की तरफ जाएंगे, राइट? गुड टू नो। सेकेंड सेंटेंस जो बहुत ही ज्यादा बेसिक है वो है मैं बहुत थक गया हूं। आई एम वेरी टायर्ड। नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? आई एम वेरी टायर्ड। अगर इसको हम बेटर वे में बोलें तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या बोलेंगे? आई एम एग्जॉस्टेड
Yes.
और आई एम कंप्लीटली एग्जॉस्टेड, राइट? बट हम यहाँ पर वाओ इंग्लिश सीखने आए हैं। आई एम वेरी टायर्ड, आई एम कंप्लीटली एग्जॉस्टेड, बट हम बोलेंगे वाओ वे में, दैट इज I feel drained and could use some rest. Oh my God, today I'm feeling drained and I could use some rest. You can say like this, right?
I feel
Next,
drained and
yes, speak
yeah,
along.
yeah. Gaya.
No,
Okay.
no, no, it
I
is
feel
that.
drained and could use some rest.
Definitely. I feel drained and could use some rest.
Yes.
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
What
चलो,
are you doing?
what are you doing? Very basic one. What are you doing? Better. What are you up to? Hey Pat, how are you doing? What are you up to? है ना? What keeping
What's
you busy these days? Hey Pat, how are you doing? What keeping you busy these days? Right? What matlab, what are the things you are engaged with? What are the tasks? What are the activities you are up to these days? है ना?
Ma'am, I am understanding that we are converting our basic English into Y English, but if, when I am speaking these three uh, sentences in a combined way, so I am feeling that these three
No need,
sentences are different,
no
different
need
meaning.
to speak in all the three sentences together. If you want to say तुम क्या कर रहे हो, you can use any sentence out of three. But if you want to go for basic, what are you doing? If you want to speak in a better way, what are you up to? और हमें क्या करना है? Why are we here for? To transform English from basic to wow. And what are the wow ways? Hey Pat, what's keeping you busy these days?
What's keeping you busy these days?
इसका मतलब
मैम पर ये बस busy को कर रहा है.
आजकल तुम क्या कर रहे हो? मतलब कि तुम्हें कौन सी चीज बिजी कर रही रख रही है आजकल? देखो सिंपल सी चीज मैं बताती हूँ। इंग्लिश बोलते टाइम जरूरी नहीं है कि आप वर्ड टू वर्ड ट्रांसलेशन करो। आप ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज कर सकते हो जिससे कि सेंस सेम आए। हर कोई बोलता है व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, व्हाट आर यू अप टू, बट हम वाओ इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पर। सो वी विल यूज व्हाट्स कीपिंग यू बिजी दीज डेज। जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें वर्ड टू वर्ड ट्रांसलेट करना है, जरूरी ये है कि हम सेंस वही दे रहे हैं बाय यूजिंग वाओ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस और फ्रेजेस। हम यहाँ वाओ वर्ड्स नहीं सीख रहे हैं, हम यहाँ वाओ इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं। सो द नेक्स्ट वन, प्लीज मेरी मदद करें, कृपया मेरी मदद करें।
Please
प्लीज
help me.
मी एंड हाउ टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प इन अ बेटर वे? Could you please help me? Please help me in a polite and better way. Could you please help me? And how to say this in a wow way? I really appreciate your help with this. Remember, it is not appreciate, it's appreciate. So you will say, I'd really appreciate your help with this. Got it?
Okay, appreciate.
I'd really appreciate your help with this.
If you are in a public gathering, you need someone to help you or guide you in some way. किसी भी तरीके से आपको उनकी help चाहिए तो ये बोलोगे hey please help me. बड़ा basic सा हो गया है ना? Politely बोलना चाहते हो could you please help me? Politeness का level up
Would you
हो
please
गया.
help me?
I really appreciate if you help me with this. How does it sound? Tell me.
Cool.
Cool. Wow, English. Arey, wow, इसकी तो first impression,
Wow.
last impression, right? You're meeting someone for the first time and you're asking for help, and you are saying, "Hey, I really appreciate your help with this. Hey, excuse me, I really appreciate your help with this. How's it?" Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Now we will move to the next one. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. How you will say in a basic way. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. हमको समझ
I
में.
didn't understand.
I didn't understand. Very simple, very basic. Now how to say this sentence in a better way. I couldn't quite catch that. Hey, I couldn't quite catch that. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. Hey, I couldn't quite catch that. Yes? And how to say this in a wow way? Hey, could you please explain that in a different way? Or could you please explain me this in a different way? You are not saying directly that I did not understand this, but you are saying, could you please explain this to me in a different way? Or could you please explain that in a different way? थोड़ा अलग तरीके से समझा सकते हो, है ना? ये भी नहीं बोला कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आया और दूसरी तरीके से समझाने को भी बोल दिया. How was it?
Nice.
Nice? Okay. मुझे
Wow,
जाना
wow.
है, मुझे जाना है, मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ, मुझे जाना है ना? So
I
कैसे?
want to go.
I want to go. Yes. Or I have to go. I want to go. I have to go. Right? But how you can say this in a better English? Hey, I need to leave now. Right? What you will say? Hey, I need to leave now. And how to say this in a wow way?
I must head out before it gets too late.
Hey, I must head out before it gets too late. है ना? जल्दी हो, लेट हो जाऊं उससे पहले मुझे जाना चाहिए, है ना?
हाँ.
How's it? Which method will you use from today? Which English?
Fantastic.
Which English sentence will you use from today, Parth? Tell me.
This one.
Third one, right? I must
Yeah.
get out before it gets too late. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
I'm very happy.
I'm very happy, right? How will you say I'm very happy? But in a better way, hey, I'm on cloud 9. है ना? सुना भी है, I'm on cloud 9. सुना है ना? Have you heard about it? This is a phrase which depicts that you are very happy. But how to say it in a
Begin a wow way.
wow way? I'm over the moon with joy. How will you say I'm very happy? I'm over the moon with joy. Joy means
मैम ऐसा लग रहा है हम इंग्लिश के साथ साइंस ही सीख रहे हैं.
these
तब मत करो. Don't care. Don't take care.
Don't take care.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Simple भी नहीं आ रहा है. Basic. Don't worry. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. And how to say this in a better way? No need to worry. Hey, no need to worry. Right? And how to say this in a wow way? Relax. Everything will fall into place. Hey, relax. Everything will fall into place. मतलब relax हो जाओ, सब सही हो जाएगा. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. कैसे बोलेंगे? Relax. Everything will fall into.
Relax. All is well.
Everything will fall into place.
Relax.
Relax.
All is well. Relax. All is well.
All is well. All is well.
All is well.
क्या तुम मेरी बात समझे? Okay. Let me teach you. Did you understand me? Did you understand me, right? And how to say this in a better way? Did that make sense to you?
That makes sense to you.
Yes.
Did you understand me?
Okay. Let me tell you how to say this in a better way, a wow way, right? Am I
I'm
making?
making myself clear.
Yes.
Am I making myself clear?
Did you understand me? Very basic. Did that make sense to you? Better. Am I making myself clear? Hey, am I making myself clear? This is what? Wow.
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 मुझे नहीं पता. How will you say मुझे नहीं पता?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. But how to say this in a better way? I have no idea.
I
Then
have no idea.
no idea, sir जी. Then get idea. अगर आपको याद हो idea के ads चलते थे, है ना? I have no idea. ठीक है? I don't
I
know.
have no idea.
I have no idea. And how to say this in Huawei? Oh my God, I'm completely clueless about this. How will you say?
I'm completely clueless about this.
Clue means hint. मतलब मुझे इस चीज का कोई hint नहीं है, मुझे इस बारे में नहीं पता है ना. I'm completely clueless about this.
Clueless about this.
ये बहुत मुश्किल है. How will you say this? ये बहुत मुश्किल है.
This is impossible.
It is very hard.
Very hard or difficult? This is very difficult. Yes.
This is impossible.
But I'll take a question in last 10 minutes. Okay? Is that okay?
It's
All right.
quite challenging.
Okay. Better is this is quite challenging. है ना? Very
This is
difficult.
quite challenging.
Replace करेंगे. This is quite challenging. And how to say this in wow? This feels like a uphill battle.
Like an uphill battle.
Oh my God, this feels
Uphill battle.
uphill battle. है
This
ना?
feels like an uphill battle.
Yes. Thank you so much for giving me your time. I hope you have learned so many wow English phrases, wow English sentences, and you are going to use it in your daily schedule. Yes?